So, love brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Welcome back to this session is amines from organic nitrogen compounds. What is the meaning for amines? Amines are the compounds can be derived from ammonia. In ammonia, one or more hydrogen atom can be replaced by alkyl or aryl group. This is known as definition for amine. What are the major uses for amine? Amines used for preparation of dyes and dye intermediates. Used as a antioxidant in rubber industry, preparation of drugs like sulfatrex. Another one, preparation of isocyanate for the manufacture of polyurethane plastic. Secondary amine used for increase the blood pressure. Synthetic amino compound like novocaine used for anesthetic in dentist. Antihistamine drugs like penetril, which containing both tertiary amine and quaternary ammonium salt, that one used for surfactant. These are the major uses for amine. Next, structure for amines. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia. This bond length is 101 picometer. Bond angle is 107 degree. This is known as structure for ammonia. In ammonia, one or more hydrogen can be replaced by the alkyl group. This bond angle is 108 degree. Same bond length 101 picometer. Both this nitrogen exhibit sp3 hybridization. Geometry is pyramidal shape. Here nitrogen exhibit sp3 hybridization. There are 4 sp3 hybridization. Among the 4 sp3 hybridized orbital of nitrogen overlap with 3 orbitals of hydrogen. One more hybridization of sp3 of nitrogen which containing the lone pair. This bond angle is 107 degree. This bond angle is 108 degree. In general, sp3 this means tetrahedral. This bond angle is 109.5 degree. Here this bond angle is 107, this bond angle is 108. Here bond angle for hydrogen, nitrogen and carbon, nitrogen, carbon, this bond angle less than compared to the normal tetrahedral bond angle. Why? Because lone pair bond pair repulsion between them. Here bulky nature of alkyl group can be repulsed between them. This known as what? A correct explanation for the bond angle. This known as structure for amines. Next, classification for amines. Classification of amines. Amines can be derived from ammonia. These can be classified into different types. One hydrogen can be replaced by the alkyl group. This name is called RNH2. Two hydrogen can be replaced by the alkyl group. This R2NH. 3 hydrogen can be replaced by the alkyl group. R3N. Here lone pair react with RX. RX means alkyl halide to form R4N positive charge X minus. Nitrogen containing two hydrogen and one alkyl group, this name is called pyramidamine. Nitrogen which containing only one hydrogen, two alkyl group, this name is called secondaramine. Nitrogen containing no hydrogen but three alkyl group, this name is called tertiaramine. Nitrogen containing the four alkyl group, this name is called quaternary ammonium salt. That is ammonia converted to pyramidamine, next converted into secondaramine, next converted into tertiaramine, next converted into quaternary ammonium salt. If two alkyl groups are same, this known as simple amine. If two alkyl groups are different, this name is called mixed amine. If two alkyl or aryl groups are same, mixed amine, they are different. This is known as a classification of amine. Clear? Next, general formula. Next method, nomenclature. Nomenclature can be derived from the name. General formula RNH2. Molecular formula Cn H2n plus 1n or Cn H2n plus 3n. Common name. Here alkyl group, so alkyl amine. IUPAC name. Here amino group, amino alkane. Or alkanamine. This one is a alkane, terminal E replaced by amine, alkanamine. This amine can be classified into two parts. First one is aliphatic amine. Another one is aromatic amine. For examples, n is equal to 1. This here 1 CH, here 3 NH2. Aromatic amine C6H5NH2. Both are primary amine. This name methane, so methanamine. This one benzene, so benzenamine. Both are pyramidamine because of nitrogen which containing the two hydrogen and one alkyl group. Next is secondaramine. CH3NH, CH3 here C6H5NH, C6H5. If two alkyl group of same mean, this name is called simple amine. This name is N-methyl, N-methyl, this name methanamine. This one N-phenyl, this benzene. So benzenamine. If two alkyl groups are same in simple amine, two phenyl groups are same in simple amine. Suppose mixed CH3 NH CH2 CH3. Here 2 carbon, here 1 carbon is a 2 alkyl group are different. This name is called mixed. Here also CH3 NH C6H5. Here 1 carbon, here 2 carbon, maximum carbon act as a parent structure. So this name is called N-methyl ethanamine. Here N-phenyl methanamine. These are called secondary amine. Another one is a tertiary amine. Here 3 alkyl groups are same. This name is called simple amine. Here 2 alkyl group attached to the same nitrogen. This name is called N-N dimethyl. This one methanamine. This one same. 2 phenyl group attached to the same nitrogen atom, N-N diphenyl. Benzenamine. Another one CH3 CH2 N CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. Here 1 carbon, here 2 carbon, here 3 carbon. Different number of alkyl group attached to the nitrogen atom. This name is called mixed amine. Here C6H5 N CH3 CH2 CH3. This name, so there are 2 alkyl group attached same nitrogen atom. This E, this one M. Alphabetic order. N ethyl, here N methyl. This one 3 carbon atom. Functional group attached to the first carbon give the least number 1, 2, 3. N ethyl, N methyl, propane 1 amine, because functional group attached to the first carbon atom. Here N methyl, alphabetic order, N phenyl, 2 carbon, so ethane amine. These are the 2 types of amine, aliphatic amine and aromatic amine. Primer amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Primer amine which containing the 2 hydrogen, secondary amine which containing the 1 hydrogen, tertiary amine no hydrogen. This is known as nomenclature for amine. Next, isomerism. Amine exhibit 4 types of isomerism. First one is chain isomerism. Second one is position isomerism. Third one is functional isomerism. Fourth one is metamerism. What is the definition for isomerism? Compound having same molecular formula but different structure, this known as isomer, the phenomena known as isomerism. First one is chain isomerism. Here nitrogen valency 3, 1, 2, 3, hydrogen valency 1, 1, carbon valency 4, 1, 2, remaining 2, 4, valency of carbon 4, valency of nitrogen 3, valency of hydrogen 1. Both are same molecular formula. See 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hydrogen? 5, 7, 9, 11. 1 nitrogen. Here also same molecular formula but different carbon skeleton. This one is a linear, this one is a branched. These two are example for chain isomerism. What is the definition of chain isomerism? Isomerism arises due to same molecular formula but different carbon skeleton. Amino group attached to the first carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. This name butane 1-amine. Amino group attached to the second carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. This name butane 2-amine. So same molecular formula, same functional group, but the functional group attached to the different carbon. This name is called position isomerism. Another one is a functional isomerism. Nitrogen containing 2 hydrogen, this name primary amine. Nitrogen containing 1 hydrogen, this name is called secondary amine. Nitrogen containing no hydrogen, this one is a tertiary amine. Same molecular formula but different functional group. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. These are the example for functional isomerism. What is the definition for functional isomerism? Isomerism arises due to same molecular formula but different functional group. NH2, NH, N. This known as functional isomerism. Another one is a metamerism. Here 2 carbon, here 3 carbon, here 1 carbon. So what is the definition for metamerism? Same molecular formula but functional group attached to the different number of alkyl group. This name is called metamerism. These are the definition for or meaning for isomerism. Isomerism can be classified into 4 types. Next, general methods of preparation of amines.